All right, so we've embarked on our traditional summer trip up to Stanage Bay. Just turned off the highway here, about to head down Stanage Bay Road, which is there. It's sealed here, but it's mostly dirt, so we've got about an hour of this ahead of us. Just left the highway, which is behind me there. So yeah, in about an hour or so, we'll be able to set up camp and start taking it easy.
Hello.
Busy road, eh? Been tasked with making a special delivery. Ba, 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 ba-da.
Have I got camping hair yet?
Probably.
Oh, good. Gotta look the part.
But how's that view? All right, so here we are at Stanage Bay. Technically, this is Alligator Beach or Alligator Bay or something behind us, but that same general area. So a quick tour of the campsite, because I'm thinking, all other things being equal, this will be the last time we're in the tent here. So if I come down this way a bit, there's our trusty steed, the Subaru, which is why one of the main reasons we've opted for the Teardrop camper is because we've only got a small car, and so towing a big thing is just out of the question. We do lug that box trailer up with us to fit everything in. You know, the art of travelling light is a skill that we're going to have to learn, no doubt. So if we come around this way, got this Coleman Event 14 dome that are under here. Really like these guys because they don't catch water when it rains. You know, they're not really 100% waterproof, but unlike some other gazebos that you see that catch water in the sides when they rain, this one doesn't. It can stay there and be fine. So I've got where am I? There's the Weber and a couple of fridges there, and the cooking table behind us. We're all hooked up at the moment to a single lithium-ion battery down there. And if we wander down this way a little bit, oh yeah, there's the tent, which will be replaced by the camper soon, hopefully. All kind of running off this, it's a 300 watt solar blanket, only just picked that up, which seems to be doing the job at the moment. So as you can see, it's not a bad part of the world we're parked in here. There's Grumpy off to go and do some fishing. We'll see what he can catch. Right, so you know you're not roughing it too badly when you've got the ice maker going here. That's done a pretty good job. Does mean we have to have the Jenny running down there for, where is it? Down there for a couple of hours in the afternoon to make this happen. But it's not a bad opportunity to top the battery up anyway, so, and that's what's going on there. Just throwing a few extra herbs into the battery for us overnight. But, yeah, got to have some ice to go in the scotch. Now, we've had a few bugs, a few bites going on here this trip, mosquitoes mostly. So we'll get this fella going. It's a little bit too much fire in there at the moment, but that'll be throwing some smoke for us soon, which means we can sit over here without getting gobbled up too much. Starting to brown. So it looks like we had a bit of a visitor here last night. You can see two sets of tracks up the beach, one coming up, one heading back down. Looks like she's started there and given up and then moved over here and laid the eggs here right on the pathway where people walk up and down from the beach. So boy, did we have some rain last night. The tent's mostly dry inside, not completely though, but yeah, it's a bit damp over here. Let's go have a look. So we don't have a rain gauge as such. Or would you say there's some wood in the bag, a rubbish bag, and then a recycle bag full. Now this pot here was empty last night, so you can see
This was as well.
how much water's in that. And that one as well, that was empty as well.
Oh no, sorry, no, that did have, that one was
Okay,
empty.
this one was empty. Yeah, I thought this one was. So you can see it's not quite half full, but the thing is that's like under a tree and it still managed to cop that much water. So I don't know what the official measurement is, but half a pot full. That's not a bad effort for one night. Some fluoro green moss going on there. Well, that's interesting. It looks like rain over there. Yep, we might get wet on the way home, depending on which direction that's travelling. Alright, let's go, let's go.
Yep.
Like the sound effects. Ooh, very nice. Getting a few drips on it at the moment, but that'll do us just nicely.
The bait.
Did you catch anything?
No, a cold.
So what do we got?
Pizza.
Camping style pizza?
Holy crap, this thing is hot. It's gonna.
What did you make it?
Well, it's nearly
Ooh.
300.
Yep, okay.
I didn't make it that, it's just what it got to. Okay, we'll let some of that heat dissipate.
So is that the most wobbly pizza you've ever made?
Yep, absolutely. Best camping pizza ever.
Alright, what have we got? Ooh. Pizza. So, we're about to walk up there.
It doesn't look high from here.
It doesn't actually look that steep
Okay.
when you look at it that way.
Show the ground down here. Might look steeper.
Well, we're down there. It's up there. This is our beach down there. Right, so do you reckon we're about halfway up? I mean, come from down there, and we've got this left there. That's just deep right up through there. Good breeze up here too, as it turns out. Let's go. Oh wow, you get in and out of the breeze, it changes immediately, doesn't it? Quite a bit hotter. You're still doing the superhero thing. Yeah, so this gives you an idea of what the wind is doing. Boy, it gets hot immediately as soon as you're out of the breeze. Alright, so we've just come from up there, down the hill, took the long way, but is it raining?
No.
And so it has come to this.